The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Rondi Pottinger.
Chanel, the little baller girl there. Yeah. She come from school still. We want to give her in her hand, but you know?
Yeah.
She not reach back yet.
I thought a little girl when him say I play upon it, Jamaica good life. Little girl I play football.
She rough. She have bad them up on the ball game and I say, I bring a ball go give her.
Straight. And you see that?
Yeah.
And that's a positive movement.
Good life, man.
A good life. So if I never the program, she
good life.
Alright.
The good life we are saying, you see me?
True.
Yeah, man.
Big up Chanel.
Big up Chanel.
Big baller.
Big up Chanel.
She had the future.
Jamaica good life.
Yeah, and big up.
Future baller.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can see her play some ball in England for one of them big teams over England.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
This is Chanel. Chanel, so introduce yourself.
My name is Chanel Goodall and I am thanking Jamaica Good Life for this ball and France.
This is Frost, UK dancehall artist. Watch the program and see her playing football. He never there here for year at the same time because she at school, so he couldn't be here because I go back to the UK. So we do one heap of thanks from Frost. So he couldn't be here for year this, so he gives me personally to hand it to her. And this is Chanel, so that's
I am bringing up Jamaica Good Life for this ball and France.
giving her thanks. So blessings people and bless up Frost and respect. It's a Pinky, Jamaica Good Life. She's right.
Even a blind man can see clear, so them not care even if they know wait here. So me a try run the cycle, make them know say that the people have a quest. If you have a fight like Tyson, rise to the occasion. You don't know what struggle is real. You know me get so it goes on and on. It goes on and on. It goes on and on. You know me get so it goes on and on. Poverty a beat long before we born. Yo, check it out. Round here it not easy to make it out. Young G's them a step with the weapon now. Not care fit.
So what you say? Hard feet. So where the shreps?
Yeah man brother. We up.
Way up. Them know say Jamaica Good Life.
Stay up till we all are grow.
So what you said? Well, show them where I go. Alright, so you know the Good Life. Frost. People are going to introduce himself. If I want the view of them where I watch a program and see one little girl that play football. So I'm this side for forward down as well too. And they bring a ball for her. Because I see the talent and the potential. You know the Good Life.
Really?
You see me, so I make him give himself an introduction.
Oh, you know my thing, you know. Artist, producer. All of them sitting there. Music are my world, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is right.
So, you know.
So
When we're there in England and music we deal with.
sure.
You can check out what thing. You see me? We're there upon the ground still deal with music. See you, man.
Yeah.
It's a change of thing, you know. Big yard life, you see me?
Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life. Yeah, see there?
Frost.
Mango tree,
What them
green
say?
and look
It's a
right.
good life. That good life.
Yeah,
So
see
you
me
live there
curry.
upon the black and integrity. I live that good life.
Sure.
And the Grinch there, you know. Bro, God.
That what make them say Jamaica so nice.
Boy, you know the
See,
things set
Joe?
up in the brother.
So one of the main thing.
Them set up there, you know.
This
See
is
what
one of
time?
the main thing they want.
Yeah.
Here.
Red stripe. Well cool.
So this one a bake, you need something well icy.
Well icy. It was the Jamaica one that in original.
Well icy to chill out the thing.
Yeah. So there in save you.
Come on, you know. Early rise, what time now?
Nitty gritty.
Nitty gritty.
BHM past 10. And look how the place look in the morning there.
See there. Nico, why them say Jamaica so nice?
You know, it's always nice. You know, the best country. You know, where the black talent them come from. You know, see, our colour all up the country, you know, we can't sell out.
Yeah.
Colour black and beautiful.
Cause you know them always intend for you say you're be negative come out of the island. So we are show them say
Yes, I hear about Jamaica, man, you know, all the goodness, man.
The
greatness, man.
the blackness
Yeah,
Black and white, check it out.
Yeah.
You need to come see all these falls and all these things that Jamaica.
Yeah, of course. I know somebody see on the program and say like them say, yo, at the first me has to see you, the man say all this time thinking me like I see a total dump. When it, zinc and everything, the man surprised.
Yeah, you don't see the car them up park up.
Listen.
Carry them up park up in the sea view, guard. Skis,
Yeah.
guard, that rich community, a big talent come from sea view.
Big talent.
When you check about history about sea view, you can't believe there's so much talent
Yeah.
come from out of this slum.
Cause you have to come here to come see it yourself.
Yeah.
Yo, there's a lot of
Sea view, the
negative
art of
news.
music. From I say sea view, you say music.
Yeah.
And that's how the whole of the youth them chat. Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Out here, you see me?
All the way from England.
From the UK.
See there, all the way from UK.
Yeah, that. Really,
And the man said the Jamaica good life.
Yeah, from the drum.
I think see.
Jamaica good life, the best life, you know.
Alright.
God them, you see me?
Jamaica.
One quail.
Grinch and the Nico Blacks, you see it?
Out there outside, I'm going to speak for Jamaica.
Yeah. You know the shrimps. Yes, in a good life, we are got town. We're going downtown. Yeah, we're going downtown. So we are showing a preview at another good life setting. We're going downtown. So we're downtown in a Jamaica good life.
Make it.
They're like 4 pound punches. They had a good life.
Mama say.
Pretty bad curry.
Curry.
Yeah. This is very pretty. Look at it.
Let me see. So this one named curry pumpkin.
Right.
Why them call it curry? You yellow like curry?
Yeah, like curry. Yeah, that's what they call it. Curry.
Yeah.
Me a pound right now.
Oh, now okra.
Just 6 pounds.
Korea boy. Alright, we get overs at feet. Brother Paul get pound now. Thank you, Mummy. Thank you very much. What's your name, Mummy?
Indian.
Indian. And Indian should have right at the front of the market gate. When you come. Right at the gate. And you see?
Where's the bag them?
Oh, we have bag, man. We have bag.
Look now.
Okay. What is that? Yes.
Only 5 years. I would just say the color loafer, you know, cut up one already. You know, say strip color loaf, cut up one. You say cut up color loaf? Oh, no, that cut up. So a long time in the market, Mummy?
Yeah, man.
Only 5 years.
Yeah, man. Huh?
Yeah, how much, Mummy?
81.
Yeah, 81.
Yeah.
And they are funny.
Yeah.
81 and she there on it. What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Monica.
Monica.
Yeah.
And you can find Monica right at the market gate as we come in.
Yes, boy.
Support her color load them.
Yeah.
Well refreshing. Yes, mama. One cut up one.
No, cut up one.
Alright then, mama. Bless up yourself here. Bless up yourself, mama.
Yes.
Love how you look fresh for your age.
Yes.
Yes, mama. Oh, wait again. Cabbage here. I prefer to see a cabbage like this. Mummy, what a cabbage your name?
Purple cabbage.
A purple cabbage. So why this a purple, man?
Yeah, that's a special cabbage. Yes.
Morning.
It is not a ordinary cabbage. Currently, when you look up on the internet, they tell you the many benefits like carrot. It's good for cancer, it's good for man's prostate, it's good for carry health benefits. You know?
This cabbage?
Yeah, carry health benefits. Very healthy. Yes. Concern your diet. It's very good to have in your diet. Keep away bacteria, keep away infection. So when you have some in your diet, it is very good.
Yeah.
Very healthy.
It's perfect cabbage.
Yes, perfect.
Wow.
You can look for it and Google it and it'll tell you many different benefits like carrot.
Yeah.
Health benefits.
So you see that in Jamaica, good life?
Yes, man, we have
It's
good
perfect
life.
cabbage, a lot of benefits.
Lot of health benefits. Yes.
Alright then, Mummy, thanks a lot. Yeah, Mummy? Yeah, so you don't really want to be on camera, so
I wish you all
all the best. Alright, thanks a lot, yeah? I wish you all the best. So there in the market. Good life.
Yo, how much is it?
For them pretty ones. Jamaica, good life. Downtown market. Street, yeah. There at the market, yeah. Downtown.
we are step through, we not hesitate. But we are step.
Ginger.
Sometimes you don't bother with him, you know.
Oh, you can't bother with him sometimes?
Yeah.
Some more like that, I never go. That bag of parts we are part. And everything me I pick up in us, and float me and float.
Give me trouble.
Mommy, why Jamaica so nice? Why Jamaica so nice?
Nicest place in the world, you know.
Sure.
Jamaica, man, we have sunshine
Yeah.
and all of that.
Jamaica good.
Cool, man, we can't take a cold sunshine.
Nice. Alright, big up.
Big melon them there. Big boss, steady.
Why Jamaica so nice?
Jamaica so nice.
Yeah.
We have happiness and we have joy.
And we have you, quick cash.
Yeah.
With them.
We can come out from us every time.
Yeah.
Show up on this and say this is the quality why the earth has sent a lot of things come. Yes, we are. Pine, seed, anything.
Yeah.
Quick cash.
Yeah.
Catch it.
Credit union.
Credit union.
She love credit. Quick cash.
You see why she having them quick cash?
Yeah.
Look upon her smile alone, make you know say a quick cash she are dealing. Quick cash.
I smile alone until I say, yo, a quick cash.
Yeah, man. How you say? Producer fi up and money have to run.
Yeah.
$3 sign, not the line.
Quick cash. Oh, sorry. What's going on now?
CJ, what's going on now?
Sergio said, of course. Yes, so we gotta get them.
Yes, I get them.
Yes, so we gotta get everything.
Yes, sir. Where them I get?
Right, yes, so everything is fresh.
Come baby, 10 pounds.
Flowers for your table, you're gone.
Oh, gone clear. Mommy, tell them which part for finding at the market.
Me?
Yeah, tell
Right
me.
by Chapel Lane, darling.
See there? Fresh house. Hard feet, we're moving.
Everything got Chapel Lane, baby.
Alright then.
All right,
Yes,
baby.
sir.
All right,
Right?
darling. Yeah.
150 gas color, 150 a pop. 50 gas color that time. Talk to me, 150 a some buyer. I mean him Santa Claus, I don't know.
Oh, you name?
Santa Claus, I don't know. I mean him Santa Claus, 150 a pound skeleton. I don't know money. Can down plaza here, sir. 150 a pound skeleton. As I get it to move.
Oh. Where say? In the alleyway here.
What you mean? Shooting at the alley because you don't know it's the real thing in the town, you know. You don't know. I know
Brass.
people are like the thief, them, you know. So you know, say you have to shoot out and juggle something in the bread.
Hold on one sec.
The town, you know.
Yeah.
You don't want to thief in the town, brother. You have to just know, say you have up and running with something and do something in the town. You get what I say? Because you have to, you youth them and all them things there. So we have to do it down here. You see me? I say?
Yeah, true.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
definitely.
After
You
there.
don't know, say the sorry father like the thing.
Yeah,
You
see
do
there.
the thing up and running clean.
Clean.
Yeah.
Downtown.
Yeah, downtown. Clean place. Them have a 3-5. But you don't know as a youth that push through, you know, say a 3 grand. And we don't kill nobody, because survivor.
Sure.
You see, downtown, same way. You get what I say? I make all the run down with all 2 roast bread fruit.
Talk about the niceness of your color and all
Yeah.
them thing, the white
Can you see fire you walk through the town, everybody think you're a big artist, you know. Everybody.
Okay, I'm coming here right now, 2 minutes put out the voice now.
Yeah, blow out.
What reaction?
Everybody thinks, say, which artist, yeah? Art feed, watch that in a art feed. Art feed, I wind up on the camera right now.
150 a pound stereo.
You know, tell me.
No, no regular, you know.
Give me a bill.
That's the question, you know, because sometimes these stuff.
Quarters one them is in
No,
fresh.
slide.
Like I come from
Yes.
originator slide.
Yes. Alright, thank you very much. Yes, alright.
You see a slide already good to have.
Yeah, yeah man.
Blessing, mommy. Blessing. Yeah, no money. Art feed, where you buy? Art feed, what that name?
Disorder this man, Jamaican guitar.
Let me have you them now. Buy my pear, my avocado. Yeah, ripe one. Ripe one.
Bitters. Rice bitters, bitter bag. Dark blood.
Yeah, man.
Bitter wood.
Let me do that, man.
Bitter bag. Cersei.
How much this?
Cinco Bible, dark blood.
$3.
It's a nice enough to come back.
I know man, because this man in the community, some long time, it's a 2 months.
Woman, shrimp so fresh and nice enough to come back.
No, slide. That puff is great. 3 miles from Lakovia.
And then now man sitting on the ground. Yeah, pay me one brick on the ground.
Fresh shrimp on the ground. Yeah.
Jamaica good life free with me.
Yeah. Yes, Still there and I told good life. You can't say hello. You have good life. You can't say good life. You have good life. Cooking.
Brad, oh yeah, you know my store, no auntie, a nice type them, and finger and hand mash up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Aaron Pratt. Listen me dada. Nice time.
Nice time, Jamaica.
$1.50. Nice time.
Jamaica good life.
Oh yeah, Jamaica good life.
See there?
Oh yeah, we're not exact, you know.
Sure.
We're exact.
want the beanie one in there.
Oh, you want the big one? Alright, dada. We're not exact.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, dada scale there.
Yeah. Auntie one pound too?
Yeah.
How you mean? See there? Like Jamaica good life. You see that fire?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. As we reach. As we reach.
It's a work.
It's a work.
Reach about the front of the lion. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Aaron Spratt. See there?
See
See that overs.
Bully, watch it.
And the camera. Oh yeah. Downtown.
Big time.
Buy for scale.
Big time.
Let me a knife now.
Hold on, my general. Let her come, my father.
You said you scale yourself.
Why you come back, yeah?
Yeah, straight. You get the extra if you come back.
Why you come back, auntie?
So you see what I look after you.
My middle look female, I never see him.
Oh, see him there. Oh yeah, when you hear the sound, you will find him.
Let her come, my general.
Oh yeah, tell them why Jamaica so nice.
Jamaica well, nice. We have life. Everything right. I can go pick a breadfruit off a tree and get it sliced.
Oh.
You understand?
That is why.
Well, you give me a 5, right?
Oh yeah.
Thank you very much. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Jamaica is nice. Aaron Sprat. I saw that to the Aaron Sprat.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
When exact, can we catch them?
Oh.
1 pound, watch it. 2 pound and 2.
See them still a flip.
Oh yeah.
Fresh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Watch it, look at that.
Show them overs. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Extras.
$1.50 a pound.
Yeah, man, give them a pound because you never get frowns.
Yeah, man, 1 pound. You hear the
See
sound?
them extra.
Extra.
More.
One over, you know. Oh,
yeah, man, oh yeah, this. Overs. You know, have a look. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Overs.
Yeah, the Magabal power so over where Mammy there.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Way up top.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must. Then